that within the network marketing industry as a whole, individuals under the age of 40 make up 23% of the associates, and that number continues to grow because individuals under 40 are looking for a way to be their own boss, to be an entrepreneur, to be in charge of their schedule, and so much more. And just like I know that you know, there's no better place to call home than LegalShield because we stand on the shoulders of giants. Our foundation is rock solid. And so to be able to celebrate and recognize those individuals under the age of 40 who are helping to pave the way for the newer generation is just so exciting. And so I want you to light up the chat for the individuals' names that are about to scroll across your screen. And if you are somebody who is under the age of 40 and your name is not on this list yet, I encourage you to get it on there. Get with your mentor, get with your sponsor, put a game plan together because I want to see your name on the list. And for those of you who are not part of this category, ask yourself, when's the last time I shared our amazing opportunity with someone under the age of 40? And so I encourage you all to go out there and share this information like wildfire because we have an amazing opportunity with an amazing company to create amazing impact. And so as we get into this recognition, go ahead and light up the chat, shout out the names of the people that you know, the people that you don't know, and let's just be in community and in celebration because, man, what an amazing time it is to be part of such an amazing company creating so much impact. So congratulations to all the individuals who have qualified for the 40 under 40 top recruiter and top producer list.